Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will evaluate the following integral, and the technique I will be using is integration by part and difference between a square minus b square, stuff like that. Okay, so let's start by, if I look at my integral, I see in my denominator, I can factor out x. So my integral become x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x squared minus 1. And if I look at my x squared minus 1, it looks like a square minus b square, because 1 square is equal to 1, which is equal a minus b times a plus b. So in my denominator, I can write it as x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x minus 1 times x plus 1 dx. Now that I have multiplication all over in my denominator, I can use the integration by part. So my x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x minus 1 x plus 1, I can write it, because that x is to the power of 1, that x is to the power of 1, and that x to the power of 1. So I can write a divided by x plus b divided by x minus 1 plus c divided by x plus 1. Now let's have common denominator on the right hand side of my equality. So x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x minus 1 x plus 1 x plus 1 equal, my common denominator is x times x minus 1 x plus 1, and my a, I will multiply it by x minus 1 x plus 1 plus my b, I multiply it by x times x plus 1, and my c, I will multiply it by x times x minus 1. So let's write it in a better way. So my x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x minus 1 x plus 1 equal x minus 1 times 1, I can write it x squared minus 1 squared, which is minus 1, plus, and I can multiply my bx by x, and I will distribute my bx inside my parentheses. So plus bx squared plus bx, and I will distribute my cx into my parentheses. It becomes plus cx squared minus cx divided by x minus 1 x plus 1. Because I have the same denominator on the right hand side and the left hand side of my equality, I can take them out. And I will distribute now my a inside my parentheses. So I will have x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal ax squared minus a plus bx squared plus bx plus cx squared minus cx. So now I know that I have ax squared and I have bx squared. So I can factor out x squared. This is cx squared here. That cx squared is here. Cx squared, so I can factor it out. And I have bx and cx, I can factor out x. So let's rewrite it. My x squared, my x squared Come on. X squared plus 2x minus 1 equal, here I factor out x squared, so I would have a plus b plus c x plus b minus c times x, and I have minus a here. And this is x squared. So the coefficient of x squared here is 1, and the coefficient of x squared here is a plus b plus c. So I will deduct that a plus b plus c is equal to 1. And here the coefficient of x is b minus c, and the coefficient of x here is equal to 2. And the coefficient of minus a, it does not have any variable, so, and the minus 1 does not have any variable, so minus a equal to minus 1. That means my a is equal to 1. So now I know what is my a, and if I replace my a here in that formula, I will have 1 plus b plus c is equal to 1. So I do minus 1 here, minus 1 here, so I will have b plus c is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus c. And from here, I can replace b by minus c, so I will have minus c is equal to 2. So minus 2c is equal to 2. If I divide by minus 2 here and by minus 2 here, I will have c is equal to minus 1. So now I have my a is equal to 1. Where I put my, I have my c is equal to minus 1, I have my a is equal to 1, and from that formula, I have b is equal to minus c, so my b is equal to 1. So let's highlight it. So now I have a divided by x plus b divided by x minus 1 plus c divided by x plus 1. I will replace a and b and c by its value. So my integral become, instead of writing the integral of, of this, I can write the integral of a, which is equal 1 divided by x, and my b is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So I replace the a here, the a and the b, and my c is equal to minus 1 divided by x plus 1. All that multiplied by dx. Because I have the plus and the minus, I can separate my integral into 3 integral. So my integral become integral of 1 divided by x dx plus, this is dx, plus integral of 1 x minus 1 dx minus 1 divided by x plus 1 dx. And this is very easy to solve. I do have integral of 1 divided by x is log of absolute value of x. I put absolute value because a log of negative number does not exist, plus log of absolute value x minus 1 minus log of absolute value of x plus 1 and my plus c. And that would be the answer. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously and it will encourage me to do more video like that for you. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.